Welcome to our explainer on the August 13th Asian markets. What's smart money hiding behind today's massive rally? After 90 minutes, that initial FOMO has cooled into a literal sea of green across the board. It looks amazing on the surface, right? But diving deeper reveals some midterm risks we absolutely got to unpack.
Starting with South Korea, the KOSPI is actually flashing some pretty alarming trends underneath all this hype.
Yep, the index has bounced back an incredible 30% from its late July absolute bottom. But check this out. Heavy overhead resistance is actually sparking midterm worry instead of total excitement. Massive overnight US gains for SMCI and Nvidia basically triggered a buying frenzy in Korean semiconductor giants. So now, Samsung and SK Hynix are just sucking up all the liquidity. It's a super dangerous imbalance.
Jumping over to Japan, the Nikkei 225 looks crazy strong, but it definitely faces its own major hurdles.
We've seen awesome 2-week growth here, with it trading right around that 68,800 point mark. While it could break peaks, a sharp correction down to 66,510 is extremely likely very soon. Why? Well, actual spot growth is way more modest than the pre-market futures jump of 1.8%. The real reason is the Japanese yen hasn't dropped enough yet to fully support their massive export sectors. Now, shifting over to Hong Kong, the Hang Seng just pulled off a totally dramatic mid-morning reversal. It literally flipped from a negative 0.25% drop right back into the green, just like that. Smart money immediately started bottom fishing, pouring heavily into tech stocks to drive this crazy sudden recovery. As their source notes, the underlying Chinese economy is just showing incredibly stubborn resilience right now. Think about this, the Hang Seng already delivered a massive 15% performance back in July. But hey, don't celebrate too early. Wait for one more gentle correction before you go all in. So recap time. KOSPI has an AI liquidity drain, Nikkei needs a weaker yen, and Hang Seng requires patience. The boards are green today, sure, but are you truly ready for the corrections coming tomorrow?